Well, hi everyone, I've got another kit from Modelones, and like I say, I'll have all the information in the drop down box below. This one I think was $19 or something like that, might be wrong, but like I say, it'll all be there. There's your little logo as well. So that's how this one comes. Like I say, look at the packaging. You know, if you send for gel polishes, they just come, well, in separate bags, let's face it. But with these, the attention to detail is lovely. So it's fastened there, so it pulls out of the sleeve. And so there should be 6 polishes in this one. You've got your instructions on the back, which you can do. So I'll just take this one out and we'll see what we've got in here. Oh, look at the bottles. Just dust it off, it's the velvet on the packaging. Wow, look at those. Oh my god, look at them. Oh, won't they lovely? So different. Like I say, and then you've got all your instructions in there. So what I'll do, I'll loosen these because I have such a job getting them out, and then I'll be back. So I've got them out eventually. Aren't they different with the bottles? Beautiful. And this set is $19.99. Whatever that is in English, I pass. So we'll go with the first one. Like I say, there'll be no colours on them because it comes as a kit. So we'll go as is. Now here's another grey. This is a dark grey. Lovely. Like I say, they go on so easy. Beautiful. I think what I'll do, I'll get the wheel and I'll just put a few on and try them. So I got the bottles out of the box eventually, and what I did do, I already filmed me doing these, and I realised that it wasn't switched on. Now I've always said you only need 1 coat, so it's these 6 here. So I am going to go over with a second coat, and then you will, if you like. I don't think it needs it, but you may. I mean, it isn't everybody's choice just of 1 coat. To me, it seems enough, but you'll see for yourself whether you need to, if you think it's what you want. They are beautiful colours. Maybe I would think with the very fine, like this one is, it would be better with 2 coats of that one. But as we're going along, I absolutely love this colour. That is beautiful. Like I say, look how easy. No messing about with it. Beautiful colours. Oops. A lot of them complement one another anyway. What, you know, I prefer trying to make things coordinated, I suppose. You know, if you're going to have your nails not all one colour. But there you go. Let's just put that back in there. And there are your colours. So it's from the grey to the silver to the gold to that amazing colour. And then it's like a beige and then a brown. And like I say, these are from another kit of theirs. As you can see, they are beautiful as well. All of them are. These are all glitters on this one. And you will find this in my drop down box. It's called a luxury kit with everything in. But this kit is just these polishes. But they are absolutely beautiful. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these to review, as they are beautiful. So I hope you think so as well, so go and check it out, and I've got a discount code, and hope you've enjoyed watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!